it's me Norie, and today I'm going to be finally doing a room tour. I feel like that's been requested for a while now by some people, so I'm finally getting around to doing that. And by the way, I did cut my hair. I actually didn't do it myself this time because we all know how that goes. I wanted to, but my mom was like, no, you're going to ruin your hair because my track record isn't that great. So I got it cut at a salon or whatever, and I curled it myself. It looks pretty messy, but whatever. I like it like that. So anyways, let's get right into it. Starting off, here is my door, and then I have this little ornament thing that I got from Target, and it's an N to symbolize, you know, it's my room. And I have this double door. I never opened both of them simultaneously because that's just weird. So this is my main door, but here's my room. I haven't made my bed yet, so let's do it right now. Whoa, so the lights turned on. Anyways, here is an overview of my room. So if you saw my last video, it was my closet cleaning video. And I said I was gonna probably do a room decluttering video, but I didn't because I got carried away after cleaning my closet and clean my entire room. I have the windows open. I usually don't do this because right outside is the street, or not street, like a path where people can walk by. Like, ugh, I hate when I do my videos and people walk by. Anyways, so I don't usually leave that open, but it's super gloomy today, so I'm keeping it open. Alrighty, so starting off with my guitar. I don't think it's a guitar because it's kind of small, but I still don't know guitar, and it's out of tune. I tried watching YouTube videos, but I don't know how. So here's my out of tune guitar. And then I have some dead cactuses here. As you can see, I take really good care. And also there's tinfoil there because when I do water it, the water seeps through. And then also there's some hair right here from when I cut my bangs. I'm disgusting. And here's some more cactuses, you know, living their best life. Also, if you notice this is an outlet sticker. I got a bunch of these and I put them all around my house, but it looks like these guys are carrying my outlet. Isn't that so funny? Oh, so quirky. And moving right along is this sofa couch thingy. It's super cute. I love this couch. Look at it. It's like blue and white and really cute. But then I have all these stuffed animals because I have an addiction to crane games, claw machine games. I don't know what to do with these, so I just have this right here. And then I have just my bags here because I don't know where to put them. Oh, and that's the setup I had for my guitar snippet. And then I have my nightstand right here with this lamp. Anyways, I have my favorite water bottle right here, and then my glasses case, which I never use, and then some lip balms, garbage thingy. I think I got this from Daiso. And then I have my bed. Yeah, I love my bed. And I have my blanket right here. It's really soft. It has little pom-poms. I really like my headboard. So I changed up the tapestry right here. But it really didn't go with anything else in my room, especially my headboard. So I changed it to this cactus tapestry, which, if you remember, was in my Rose Gal haul. And I love it so much. Look how freaking cute. Look how cute. And yeah, and then I have some fairy lights right here, and then I have more right here. This is mainly just for my YouTube videos. So I just have this like white comforter, and then I have this pink and white striped base, like sheets. Moving on, that's my laundry basket. I have some little pictures up there for my corkboard, and then I have this little nameplate thing that someone made for me. Right there, those yellow things, those are glow-in-the-dark stickers that I put up. And then this is like my favorite area. I have all my hats up there, and I have my record player here, which I know the stickers make it look really trashy. I kind of broke this little bit right here. I'm not supposed to touch it. I know you guys are probably screaming. I broke it, so I got a new replacement one, but I don't think it's the right kind. Anyways, so that is my record player that I got a few Christmases ago. I really like it. It's really cute. And then right here is my jewelry. I can't say that word to save my life. Jewelry case. And I have just some stuff right there. And then right here, I love this box. Look how cute this is. And in here, I just have some memory stuff in there. Right here is my Himalayan salt lamp. And it's actual salt. Like, I've licked it before. I think other people have too. Kind of gross. But let me turn it on. It has a really warm light, so I don't want to keep it on, but it's really cute. Woohoo! It looks kind of evil. Anywho, and then I have my to-do list whiteboard for like YouTube videos and stuff. These are my body mists, some of them that I actually use, and then other ones I just have in my bathroom. And then I have crystals because I have an obsession, and then a random light bulb decoration because it's literally just useful for decoration. It's flat at the bottom. And then I have these crystal skull bottle thingies. And then I have this diploma from my Japanese school where I graduated from. And then I have this fake flowers, look very realistic, clearly. And then I have this bottle that used to be a Starbucks bottle that I peeled off and DIY'd. Alright, so down here, don't even question what these are, but right here I have my Polaroid camera, which hasn't been in use for a while because I ran out of film a while ago. And then I have these sunglasses that reminded me of Trisha Paytas. Hey guys, it's me. And then I have some of my records.
I have Arctic Monkeys, Panic at the Disco, and then I have Fame, but I got rid of some of my other ones because I don't really like them. But yeah.
This is my diploma. You may be thinking, wow, that's a really plain blue diploma, but it has my school written on the other side, so I don't want to show you. But just trust me, I did graduate somehow. And then right here is my electronics right here. I have my GoPro, and then I have this speaker system thing that sucks, and then I have my old phone. Why am I keeping it closed like a zoo? Anyways, and then I have my camera that used to be my brother's. Then I have my old laptop, which sucked, but it's so adorable. It's tiny and it's pink, but it was awful. And then I have goggles in here. I don't know why. I didn't know where to put them. And then I have this pool floaty unicorn thing. Down here I have my craft supplies. I have my guitars bag, and then some pencils, paint, this thing. Down here I have a bunch of magazines. So I just have a bunch of Vogue magazines. Some of them I just never read and never opened. But yeah, I'm just keeping them here because I don't know what I want to do with them yet. And then down here I just have my high school yearbooks. And on the left side, of course, I have these One Direction figurines that I was collecting, and oddly enough, I can never find a Zayn. So I feel like I was predicting low-key that Zayn was gonna leave, but yeah, I just have these, and they're really creepy. And I just have some junk in here that that's like, this is craft pillow. I tried to make me a pillow and I never did. And then I have these, which are lights. Down here are my books/journals. There doesn't seem to be a lot, but that's because I got rid of a lot. I swear I've read books before. I just forgot to show you guys this drawer, but it's just a bunch of junk of stuff.
Just this weird dog face wallet that I have yet to use. SD cards, whiteboard erasers, Sephora play bag, whiteboard, earrings. I don't even have my ears pierced, wires, just a bunch of stuff, headphones.
And then I have this clock that's been broken forever. And then I have this long, woodsy kind of, you know, woodsy lumberjack kind of thing. I got in Japan at the Yokohama red brick building. And then I have this painting photo thing. I guess it's like a photo on a canvas, but it's like from IKEA, and I think everyone has already seen this before. It's very basic. And then right here I have a mirror. You can see me. Woo! And it's too low, but whatever. Yeah. This mirror is like a funhouse mirror. My face changes shapes. Like, look at my face right now. Wait, is that my normal face? No, that's not my normal face, right? My closet, which you can see in my closet cleaning video, which is my last video, how bad it looked before and how I changed its entire personality, and then my pajamas are draped right there. Anyway, yeah. That's all for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to leave a like if you liked it, and then comment down below any video ideas because I'm really running low. And what else? Subscribe, of course, if you're not subscribed already. If you are subscribed, thank you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter because Instagram saw my hair first, obviously. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Oh, Saturday sun. met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go.